It's kind of like vector liquid. You need a direction. So I'm not sure if that's possible. But you got ferrofluid, but that actually might not be the fluid. And it means that, yeah, who knows? I don't know, you can't have liquid iron. Or you can have ferrofluid, it's if it's melting. Yeah, melted iron has random directions. So maybe it's not true. But just think, melted iron has random directions, maybe it's true. So maybe you can't have oriented liquid. Yeah. So maybe a liquid doesn't have an orientation, and like you're looking at orientated liquid, maybe it doesn't have them. See, it's either properties of liquid or it's not. Yeah. Ferrofluid sort of has an orientation, but I think they do that with fine iron particles. And like you said, this thing, well, I think it sort of starts at 100 micrometers just to get a big one. Yeah, so it means that you literally have to make the nanosensors. It's the only way, because they have to be solid to have an orientation. Unless you actually, if you put melted iron in a magnetic field, it's not random. It might not be, but notice how you demagnetize a magnet with heat, so it doesn't look good. But that could be different. That might not disprove it yet. But that means that you want orientation liquid. It just depends if it's even possible to do. It might not be possible to do it. That means the liquid can see you. Yeah. So what? Well, if you can't actually see, well then why have contact liquid? And then it sort of spreads. Yeah, maybe there's a way to make a blind one. So we'll have to see what you're going to need. So you can see like, well, it could be a kind of liquid that just is like actuation liquid. But what can the sensor be? And it may be true that there's no orientation, it doesn't work.